Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for Central Lowndes County in Georgia, southeastern Brooks County in Georgia, until noon Eastern Standard Time. At 11:26 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southeast of Quitman, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near I-75 at exit 16 around 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Valdosta around 11:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Neckin, Remerton, Dasher, Blue Springs, I-75 at exit 22, I-75 at exit 11, Valdosta Regional Airport, Kimberley and Empress. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until noon Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Brooks, Georgia.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.